Hello guys! Today, gagawa tayo ng nilupak na yellow yam. This is an African yellow yam. It seems like purple yam in the Philippines or yung ating ube na tinatawag. Okay? So, we will make a nilupak out of this yellow yam. Alright. And then we will just cut it into big chunks and we will boil this. So guys, we will just boil this until it becomes soft. So once in a while guys, you have to stir your yellow yam, okay? And check if it's cooked already. I think it's done, okay? So okay guys, so I'll transfer it into my mixing bowl and I'm gonna mash it. You can use a fork or you can use your mashed potato masher, okay? Okay, now we will add the powdered milk and condensed milk. Ha? Hindi. And then I will add 1/4 cup of melted margarine. I'm using this guys. Okay, so just mix it all together. And then I will be using this one because we don't have the big one. Alright, so improvise. then we will grate cheese on top. Guys, I use two kinds of cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese you want to. It doesn't matter, okay? And I will bake this until the cheese melted, okay? Just broil it for about 5 minutes, but you can eat as is. You don't need to bake it or broil, okay? But I just wanted to broil it so that the cheese will gonna be melted and a little bit roasted, okay? So we're done, guys. Here it is, guys, our super delicious and healthy yellow yam nilupak. Alright, it's so delicious and so yummy. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I will post a video on my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for your support to Mhelbeth's table. Till next time again.